Hello, good morning student. In last video we have completed our first chapter. Now in that video we will solve the exercise of first chapter, that is our environment. Now question number A, what's the solution? There are a lot of unused pages in last year's notebook. They must not get wasted. The meaning is that तुमच्या जुन्या नोटबुकचे खूप सारे पेजेस शिल्लक आहे, ते तुम्हाला वेस्ट नाही घालवायचे. सो फॉर दॅट व्हॉट्स द सोल्युशन, काय करशाल तुम्ही? ओके, नाउ बी, ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर ऑफ स्पायडर वेब. फाइंड आउट व्हाय अ स्पायडर वीव अ वेब. Now under the picture write the information you get. Now see, this is a spider web. This is a spider. This is a spider web. Why that spider weave this web? Now under that picture you have to write the information about that. Okay. Now question number C, think and tell. In that one, what are the uses of cotton? Cotton means कापूस. आपण कशासाठी यूज करतो कॉटनचा? See, this is a cotton. So you have to write down the uses of that cotton. Question second, what are the chappals made from? We all wearing chappals, and chappal is made from different material. So we have to write down what are the chappals made from. चप्पल कशापासून बनवतात? Now third, if there is a loud noise nearby, what will the sparrow do and what will a stone do? काय होतंय? तुमच्या जवळ खूप असं जोराने आवाज येतोय. तिथे कोण आहे? स्पॅरो अँड स्टोन. तर ते काय करतील? व्हॉट विल अ स्पॅरो डू अँड व्हॉट विल अ स्टोन डू? काय करेल स्पॅरो? स्पॅरो कॅन फ्लाय अवे बट स्टोन रिमेन इन दॅट same place. Okay, understood? Now fourth one, what does a house lizard eat? Do you know house lizard? Have you seen? Now see, this is a house lizard. That house lizard generally observe on the wall. You have to write down what does this house lizard eat. काय खाते ती? Now question number 5. Make the list of things in your house that are made of wood. जे तुमच्या घरामध्ये ज्या काही लाकडापासून बनवलेल्या गोष्टी आहेत त्यांची नावं लिहायची. The things made from wood. Okay. 6. Name the animals that feed on mice. Now which animal feed on mice? You have to write down that animal's name. Now D, fill in the blanks. The place of a stone dash only if someone picks it up and moves it. Now see in that page number 2. Its place changes only if someone picks it up and moves it. What is the answer? Changes. Changes. Now second, we view dash dash from cotton, wool and silk. We weave clothes. Now third, leaves dash dash trees, they to rot and get mixed with the soil. Now answer is that C. Leaves fall off trees, they to rot and get mixed in the soil. So here fall. Now question number E. Answer the following questions. What are the things that we get from our environment? आपल्याला आपल्या एन्व्हायरमेंट मधून कोणत्या कोणत्या गोष्टी भेटतात? You have to write down that names. What else do plants get from the environment? Plant म्हणजे trees. त्यांना एन्व्हायरमेंट मधून कोणते हेल्प भेटते? Now third, what makes the soil in the forest fertile? कशाच्या सहाय्याने जमीन ही सुपीक होते? You have to write down the name of that things. Now question number F. True or false means correct or wrong. Now first one, the seeds of some plants are scattered by the wind. काही प्लांट्सच्या ज्या सीड असतात त्या वाऱ्याने पसरल्या जातात. दिस इज ट्रू. नाउ सेकंड, प्लांट्स आर नॉन लिव्हिंग थिंग्स. इज इट करेक्ट? नो, प्लांट्स आर लिव्हिंग थिंग्स. सो दिस इज false. Now third, sparrow grow by eating insect and food. We have already seen sparrow is living thing, so that's why they eat insect and food. So this is true. Okay student, understood this whole exercise? Now activity. Many festivals are connected with plants and animals. Find out, are any such festival celebrated where you live? How are they celebrated? आपण खूप सारे फेस्टिवल्स म्हणजे सण साजरे करतो. ते कशाशी रिलेटेड असतात? Some are related to plants and some are animals. So you have to find out that festivals names and how to celebrate that festival. Tell me one more example. In that month, yes, in 25 July, that Nag Panchami is there. And Nag Panchami is related to animals. Okay student, understood this all? You have to write down in your EVS notebook. Okay, thank you.